What up, peeps? Making my return video here, and also my first video, 2013. Even though we're already heading into February and all, but hey, I'm here now and ready to bust some boxes and see what kind of cards you get today. So this video is going to be 2 boxes of the 2012 Ultimate Leaf Basketball, and you get 3 premium autograph cards per box. So let's see what we get today. Hope for something good for my first video here of the year. I'm actually hoping, I actually bought these because there was a deal, and also I am looking for some Damian Lillard autographs. As some of you might know, I'm a Blazers fan. Ooh, that is not good, but oh well. These leaf stickers are always a little bit tough to... Man. Okay, this is starting to look really bad in the beginning. Okay, I think I got it open now. I'll just open it like this. Okay, finally got that first box open with some sound effects there, but alright, here we go. First card, autograph of Fab Melo. Believe he's on the Celtics. A redemption. Ooh, what's this? Hot bonus redemption card. You will receive a mystery memorabilia item from 2012 Leaf Ultimate Basketball. Actual item will be revealed when redeemed. Okay, so just redeems on the website. Oh, I think I heard about these. You can either get some like autographed jerseys or basketballs or something, or I'm actually not 100% sure, but that's what I heard. Oh, it's pretty cool. Alright. Alright, and the other auto is Scott Machado. I don't know if I said that right. And then 13 out of 25. Alright, that's actually not too bad of a start right there, actually. Especially, I don't know what the mystery item would be, but I mean, hopefully I'll redeem that, and I'll let you guys know if I find out either online or when I get it, I guess, what it is. But not too bad. Ah, god damn. Okay, this is definitely not working out. Actually, you know what? Give me 1 second, guys. I don't think scissors is going to work on this one for some reason. I think keys would be better. Yeah, I probably should have used the keys. Way better than the scissors, because the scissors are not... The scissors I'm using, at least, are not thin enough. Did I get it right? Okay. Let's see if I can just open one part. I don't need to open the rest. Okay, that's good. Ooh. Nice card on the top, too. Okay, first card. Dennis Rodman autograph. Hey, not too bad. These cards are actually pretty thick. I didn't notice that until now. Alright, so the Worm Dennis Rodman autograph. Next, autograph of Chris Middleton. Okay, and then finally, ooh, an inscription autograph of Perry Jones III, Baylor Bears, number 17 out of 25. That's not too bad. So I got 2 cards out of 25, and then 1 inscription autograph, and also Dennis Rodman auto, and I guess this mystery item. whichever this is, mystery memorabilia item. Alright, it's pretty cool right there. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and see you guys later.